We're going to take you now to Chicago, where this past weekend at least 52 people were shot, 8 of them killed in a wave of violence across the city. What is going on there?
You can't have a 13-year-old putting out garbage gunned down. We can't have people sitting in cars having a conversation getting gunned down. We just can't have that without us standing up saying we've got to address it.
Forget me while I'm here, when I'm gone, just remember me. Time change, I'm just waiting on my hourglass. I'm slipping slow, I'm moving fast. I'm addicted to that fast life. Street life, gotta get my cash right. Time change, I'm just waiting on my hourglass. I'm slipping slow, I'm moving fast. I'm addicted to that fast life. Street life, gotta get my cash right. Raised in that Generation X, little niggas having sex before they even get a chick. Now a baby got a baby and a baby born in dead. But my young nigga wildin', they just killing for respect. But respect from a coward doesn't matter when you dead. I grew around G, but most of my niggas dead. A lot on down the road, I pray I never see the feds. I'm tryna make history, take a second. I'm seeing life differently. Same reason they love me, but the main reason they dissing me. Get money, nigga, is the topic when you mention me. Decorating a lie, just to make it sound good. I'm moving through the city, I'm just checking in my pound good. Get money from flipping, rolling up while I'm sipping pole. Paper in my pocket, but money in the mission, sticking to the code. Lanes pay attention, think I'm slipping on the grind. Homie, check the next sentence. Time change, I'm just waiting on my hourglass. I'm slipping slow, I'm moving fast. I'm addicted to that fast life. Street life, gotta get my cash right. Time change, I'm just waiting on my hourglass. I'm slipping slow, I'm moving fast. I'm addicted to that fast life. Street life, gotta get my cash right.
I just pray the Lord to keep me strong. The time sad that I'm living wrong. Hourglass dumping in my time running. We living to die, or is we living to get rich? You trying to better your family, is you living for that bitch? Try to hold it in the road.